Step into luxury with the versatile and durable TilePrime, a premium tileable shower base by DreamLine. TilePrime allows you to create a tiled shower floor quicker and easier than traditional methods, and enjoy an end result that offers the aesthetic of a totally custom shower base without the high cost. TilePrime brings infinite opportunities for a tiled shower floor without the hassle of traditional installation. A combination of superior craftsmanship and your own custom design, our TilePrime collection starts with a solid core construction that includes a factory slope base floor to ensure smooth drainage. Completed with integrated tile flanges and a 3-inch high by 3.5-inch wide curb, the TilePrime offers quick installation that's made easy thanks to a thorough installation guide that covers the most typical plumbing scenarios. When installed, enjoy peace of mind that TilePrime is built to last, providing a scratch and impact-resistant surface that is water and leak-proof. All that's left is to add a piece of you. Explore your creativity with your choice of tile to complete your dream shower space. TilePrime shower bases can be tiled using any standard tile adhesive, and DreamLine recommends 2x2-inch or 2x4-inch tiles. TilePrime is available in either left or right drain configurations, so please determine the drain position before ordering, and please check the position of any floor joists to avoid conflict with the drain position. With over 5,000 luxurious modern products backed by an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty and thousands of 5-star reviews, remember, when it comes to your dream bathroom, it's gotta be a DreamLine.